What's up, dears? Lexra here, back with another jrock reaction video. Today we're checking out Official髭男dism, White Noise. So yeah, I reacted to them before with Mixed Nuts. That was the Spy Family opening, the first one, I think. Yeah. So I've seen Crybaby. I've seen, was it The Pretender? And like I said, I reacted to Mixed Nuts already, so check that out if you haven't. I am watching the second season of Tokyo Revengers. This is the OP for the second season. So yeah, it's going to go on my second channel, the reaction is, but if you want to watch ahead, it's always on Patreon. So yeah, let's jump into this. I already heard the, the opening version. I liked it, so let's hear how it goes full. It's very like on par, especially with the motorcycle so far. The music video for Crybaby was very, very interesting. I liked it. And also, like, the lyrics for Crybaby were, like, very, very, like, it went with the anime, so let's check out these lyrics and see. So far, we're just driving. As long as there's one headlight. Wimpy voice. Takemichi? I'll save you over and over again at the edge of the future. Once I catch up with it. I like that! That's perfect for Takemichi. I love how like it sounds like nice and like upbeat, but in the background sometimes that I don't know, like distortion comes in. It's really cool. I'm aware of my cowardice. Yeah, this like. Also, I love his voice. It's so good. Still screaming that name loudly. Hero! Pick you up how many times I screwed up. Okay, go off then, go Tower Solo. There's so many cars now. Even when Fate punches me, it doesn't affect me at all. That's so perfect. That's beautiful. Yeah. I like this one a lot. Yeah, this will go on my playlist too. I liked it. Okay, so that was Official Higuedan dism with White Noise. Like I said, I really enjoyed that. Yeah, the lyrics, like, once again, were, like, really, really, like they were I guess they were created for the anime, so, like, they're very takemichi. Yeah, yeah, I really liked the lyrics. I really liked the video. I really liked everything about it. It was fun. I liked it. Yay. This makes me excited to keep watching. Yeah. What date? I didn't watch it on, like, the day it came out. Tokyo Revengers, the second season. I didn't watch it the day it came out. What was it, a Sunday? Or was that Saturday? Or was it Friday? I don't know. Either way, I'm really excited to keep watching that. And yeah, I love that they brought them back for the second season. I hope they keep doing that. I really like them. Like, I didn't know about them before Tokyo Revengers. But yeah, if there's a third season, then I would love for them to be the opening, or do the opening again. Yeah. But that's gonna be it for me, dears. Check out the stuff that's up there. It's always in the links in the description down below. Like, comment, subscribe if you so choose to, and I'll see you, dears, sometime soon. Bye bye.